Have you ever been frustrated by a double scroll bar on your website? It can be really annoying, especially when you're trying to create a smooth user experience. If that sounds like you, stick around because today we're going to tackle this issue head on. I totally get it. You've done your research, tried various CSS options, and yet that pesky double scroll bar just won't go away. You're not alone in this struggle. Many web developers face similar challenges. Let's dive into the specific situation. One user reached out with a question about their website, stating that they have a double scroll bar in both Chrome and Firefox. They tried setting the overflow property in their HTML, but nothing worked. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this double scroll bar? It often happens due to conflicting CSS styles or elements that exceed the viewport size. We'll break down the troubleshooting steps to help you identify the culprit. And don't go anywhere. I have a special tip at the end that will help you prevent this issue from happening in the future. To begin resolving the double scroll bar issue, the user should first inspect the CSS styles applied to the main container of the website. This can be done using the developer tools in the browser. Next, the user should look for any conflicting overflow properties. It's important to ensure that only one element has the overflow property set to auto or scroll. The user can adjust these properties accordingly. After that, the user should consider setting the overflow property on the body element. This can help manage the scroll behavior more effectively. The user can try setting it to hidden or auto. Finally, the user should test the website in both Chrome and Firefox after making these changes. This will help confirm if the double scroll bar issue has been resolved. Fun fact, did you know that the first web browsers didn't even support CSS? Imagine trying to style a website without it. Thankfully, we have tools to help us today. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user points out that having overflow set to auto on your HTML element can cause a scroll bar to appear if the content exceeds the screen size. This behavior varies by browser, as some, like Firefox, will show scroll bars when content overflows. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution involves using your browser's developer tools to identify the source of the double scroll bar. Start by inspecting the page elements. Hover over suspicious elements and delete them while watching for the inner scroll bar. If it disappears, that element is the culprit. If not, undo the deletion and try another element. For larger elements, check their sub-elements until you find the one causing the issue. Finally, check the CSS for any overflow settings. Here's that special tip I promised. Regularly audit your CSS and HTML structure. Keeping your code clean and organized can prevent many issues, including double scroll bars. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to eliminate that double scroll bar and enhance your website's user experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.